Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you an affiliate marketing platform that can pay you up to 400 USD per referrals. Do you know that you can get paid 400 USD per sale you made? Without wasting time, let's get started. When it comes to making money with affiliate marketing, you always have to figure out different strategies you can be involved in or you can be practicing to ensure that you earn money. You need to practice affiliate marketing and other strategies that are required for you to make much money. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this platform, how you can get started, and also you can be able to earn 400 USD. As you can see, I'm using my computer. I'm going to go into my computer, or you can even use your phone. Then I will also search for RedPages affiliate. After searching RedPages affiliate, I'm gonna be getting to this platform. You can see this is the RedPage affiliate program. It's also the affiliate program. Before we get started, this RedPage is a tool which is also used for website builder, and also you can see that you could add up to 400 USD per referral. If I try opening it, you can see it is going to be opening, and also they are saying that I can be able to earn up to 400 USD per referral. Now let's see how we can be able to earn this amount of money. When we talk about per referral, that means it's per person who has already purchased an item from RedPage. What I need to do, I need to click here on get started. Before I come here to get started, let me first show you how much money can you be able to earn as they are describing it here. You can see for the standard plan, first 19 days, the person who purchased for first 19 days or who signed up for first 90 days, you are going to be earning 100 USD. For the pro plan, you're going to be earning 200 USD, as you can see here, in the first 19 days. After maintaining 70% of customer retention rate over the 90-day period, you will unlock also the standard plan and pro plan. This is where you will be able to earn also 150 per sign up per sale completed. And also you can be able to make 400 USD per order completed in pro plan. This is also going to be depending on how you have created this vanity plus 5% of customer retention. Now you can be asking yourself how this money is going to be coming. First, let me show you the platform, and also you're going to be seeing different pricing plans that also you have to sell as an affiliate, and also once you made a sale, you're going to be making this amount of money. I have to create this RedPage and open it as well. After opening this RedPage, it is going to be showing me all the informations, and also it's allowing these pages. As you can see, this is pricing sections. Here they are having different places, they are having different templates that you can be able to sell. You can see these solutions, email marketing, PPC ads, social media, search engine. It all depends on the service you're gonna be selling. And also they're having the platforms which is landing pages, websites, where you create a website with called a free blogging, payments, reading management, AI engine, all features. You can see they are all here. Now let's try exploring these sections and see how much money you can be able to make, and also what is going to be happening. As you can see, this is for annual payment or yearly billing. If I try to convert it to monthly payment, you can see you have to be paid for 99 per month 697 USD per month, which is under discussion. Also, as you can see here, these are the features the person is going to be getting if he or she decide to purchase this item. 5 landing pages, unlimited traffic and leads, 1 custom domain, 200 plus conversion optimized, best in class conversion tools, and others. What now does it mean here? So if we come back here to an affiliate program, as you can see, they are explaining this. You can see standard plan for 19 days, we will be earning 100. If you see here, for instance, a person is going to be purchasing any section here in a plan, you can see for 9 you'll be able to earn 100 USD for the first 90 days, so which means you can be able to make such amount of money. Also, as you continue with your retention rates with over the 19-day period, which means the customers you have brought before who have purchased those plans among those packages, in 19 days they are still there, also they have paid, you will be able to earn this amount for the next sales you will be able to make, which means you also unlock those features which can be making you up to 400 USD. Now let's see how you can get started. To get started, you have to click on become an affiliate, and also after clicking on become an affiliate, we have to fill out all the details and information required. So let's now fill here. You have to fill your first name, and also once you fill your first name, the last one, the last one. So then I have to come here and also fill my email for affiliate communications. So now let's also have to fill social special consideration is given. If you are already a lead page customer, you also can be providing your login email if you have it. If you don't have one, you have to leave it as a blank. Here also you have to fill out your website, and also your website is necessary for you to ensure that they are checked out how much money they will be able to, how also are going to be promoting the platform, and also how much money they can be able to make from your audience, your traffic, and others. So you have also to fill out your business name. Now you have to fill it as now you have to select your country, where is you located. Let's say United States. You have also to fill out what best describes type of model. Is it non-profit? Is it agency? Is it e-commerce? If it's e-commerce, you have to fill it. What industry you are in. So let's say I'm in techie industry, software and technology. Then which of the following marketing channels will you use to promote a lead page, whether organic, social media, SEO, email marketing, online courses, and more. And also you have to tell us more about your plan to promote lead pages. So I plan to use my website to promote it. So now as the last section, also you have to answer those questions. Here is which size is the audience across your marketing channels. Now please add links to your social media profiles. I can say now hide my links to social media profile, linkedin.com, something like that. So you have to add also your lead page website. You can see if you have one. Now you can be choosing other. So where you have, if other specify anything else you would like to us to know, if there is also specify. If none, you have to proceed and submit your application. As you can see, you need to ensure that you provide all the accurate information if you want to apply for this affiliate marketing platform. So as As I'm done with fulfilling all this information, all those details, also I'm going to be submitting. What I need to do is to click submit, and also they will be showing me if there is something which is not filled well. I can be able to see it, and also I cannot be able to submit. So let's see now, click on the submit to see if our application is going to be sent. And also once it is sent, we are done with it, and you have to wait for review for them. You can see now after clicking the submit, you can see application has been received. You will receive an update via an email at this one, and also in the meantime you get up on Partner Stack. Ready page, land your partnership on Partner Stack. Get ready to earn rewards by creating your Partner Stack account. So thank you for watching this video. This is how you can be getting started with this affiliate marketing program, which can be earning you up to 400 USD per sale you made, and also you can be continuing and making more money if you're gonna be also doing more sales. So remember to subscribe to this channel if you have any questions, remember to leave it in the comment section. Also remember to like this video, share it to your friends, and also turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV.